So about that wedgie transition that I did from the walk the dog. So I'll show you the trick. There's a ton of ways you can get into it. You can go from the roll break start that I showed before, which is roll, stop it, and we can be here. Yeah, I'll show you other ways in a minute. So what I'm going to do is the hoop's going to the left. So as I see it kind of go behind me, I'm going to put my left foot down, and then the bulk of the hoop's going to swing in front of me. And as it does, I'm going to bring my knee up towards my face. So there's no hoop at the side, so leg goes down, which means the hoop's at the back, the bulk of it is spinning around now. And then as that happens, the bulk will come around to the front naturally. When that does, I'm standing on this left leg, and I'm going to pull my right leg up towards me, knee towards my face, but not kneeing myself in the face, and getting into the hoop and landing in that wedgie position. So here we go. So down, up, and in, and I'm here ready to do my wedgie. So I'll show you from this side. So I'll just go in from just having it. So let's say we've gone from here. Okay, so from behind, looky so-sos. So one leg out, and I'm going to wait. Bulk comes behind me, and it's down, and I am in. Enjoy!